Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 15 5G, and let me show you how to add photo contact on this device. So at first, open your phone gallery, then choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit icon, and now select add a picture. And now just pick something either from your gallery, from Google Photos. You can create monogram, you can add some illustration. There's some issue here, but let me pick one from my gallery. Customize it however you like. You can zoom it in, zoom it out. You can rotate it if you want. And then mark choose. If you like it this way, just click on save. And that's it. From now on, this photo is assigned to your contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.